Are you like me and getting organised for Christmas in November? All through November, there have been vloggers showing you gift ideas as a gift to November. A gift to November is run by Alison, so like Dottie, and it's run over on Instagram all through November. So any gifts that you've been making to gift to people over the Christmas period, take a pic of it and post it on your Instagram. The details of what to do will be popping up somewhere here. And we'll get started because it's only a few days to the end of November, so I'd better get cracking, hadn't I? I've invited Steph over to join it, so two heads are better than one. And we've both pulled together some amazing gift ideas. So grab yourself a cuppa, sit back, and let's talk Christmas gifting. So it's a gift to November, and I've got the team with me. We've got Lily and Esme for support, and Steph has joined it because she's got some amazing ideas. So we thought we'd team up and you get double trouble. So do you want to go first, Steph?
Okay.
Come on.
Well, the first thing that I want to talk about is something I actually haven't got here to show you, so we'll be posting pictures of.
Yeah, somewhere off
Yeah.
here.
Pot holders. I made a few for friends and family years ago, and they're really cute, these ones, because they're heart-shaped, and you just put your hand in, and they're real fun to do, and they're a good scrapbook to do, and they're done fairly quickly,
So we'll be putting links to all these patterns. Is it a free pattern or is it?
Yeah, I think I just found a YouTube
an online tutorial.
Yeah.
They're better, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we'll find the link for that and we'll put it in the details below. So pot holders. They're a good universal one, aren't they? Because anybody who bakes, anybody who cooks, it's perfect for. Brilliant.
It's colour coordinating to the kitchen. My daughter had just had a grey and white kitchen with cerise pink accessories, so hers were cerise pink and grey, which I quite enjoyed doing because I love pink.
Fabulous. I think you need to make me some because mine are.
I need to make myself some. Mine's rather frayed out and sad looking at the moment.
People
don't. Yeah, you never get around to doing it for yourself.
So you never do them for yourself. Is anybody else like that? Now, I've got a bag of goodies.
She hasn't even shown me yet.
The bag is homemade. So we'll start with the bag. It is a free download. I don't think there's a YouTube tutorial, but if there is, I will pop the link below. It's a cute little tote bag with a pocket in the front. It is fully lined, and I put a metal popper on the top. These are great if you're just nipping out somewhere. I've got one with all my knitting in at the moment, so what do you think?
Oh yeah, brilliant. Useful for everybody, those. Because they're not too big. And you can make the strap long enough so that you can put it on your shoulder and tucked under your arm.
You want a bigger one. It's easy enough to just scale the pattern because it's not a pattern, it's just measured squares.
Yeah.
So my first idea.
The straps are really strong because
they wrap
attached
underneath.
to the body of the bag.
They wrap all the way underneath as well. So,
and then the pockets sandwiched between the straps, so everything's really sturdy on it.
It's finished off really well for a top for a
yeah.
What you could class as a boring tote bag, but it's not.
But yeah, because I mean, a lot of them they just attach the handle up here, and that can get loose over time, can't it?
Yeah, and it's got.
Yeah, it's lined and.
It's just a really good finish for a standard tote bag. So that's my idea number one. What have you got next, Steph?
Well, my idea number two. If you have friends round and everybody has a glass of wine, you sort of give them a wine glass charm so they know which is their glass. Well, this little set serves two purposes because it's a coaster and a wine charm. So I've made 6 here from just a little fat quarter bundle. There was loads left. You could have made a lot more than 6. But what happens is they slip onto the base of your glass, so you recognise which is your glass, and it's also a coaster. So when you put it on the table, you're not going to get ring marks on your table. I thought that was a good idea.
Those.
And 6 together, tied with a pretty ribbon, and added into a matching wine bottle holder.
Yeah.
And a bottle of wine would make a really nice gift, I think.
Perfect. And they're quite simple to make.
Oh, very simple. I don't know where. I thought I brought them. I brought one partly assembled to show you, but you know, it's 4 circles, wrong sides together for the base, and the 2 top pieces folded in half. Sew around the edge, trim the seam, and turn them through, and that's. It couldn't be easier, really.
Let's see. Have you come back, Esme? You come to help. Let's see what I've got in my bag of goodies. The first thing I've got is
I love those.
a scissor holder or scissor minder. But I've put some gauze grain ribbon on it, and it fits 3 pairs of scissors in it, so you can put your tiny scissors there, your medium ones there, and your big dressmaking scissors in the top one. And yeah, there is an online tutorial, and I will put the link below. They're just 2 oblongs sewn together and folded and sewn into that shape. It's knowing how to fold them, but
it's another fat quarter buster.
It's a fat, yeah, it's a scrap buster, and takes. I could make. I don't know. I think I could make about at least 10 of these in the morning.
Oh yeah.
If you got yourself your little production line set up. So that's another scrap busting quick make for gift to November.
Right, another thing I've enjoyed making, I made a lot during lockdown using scraps. If you ever find yourself leftover bits of
Nice.
what do you call it? Fleece. And this is actually scrap of curtain fabric, but I liked it. And obviously, I call them a posh scarf because they're not as bulky as a scarf. And what I do, I put point to point like that, and then you get a fancy brooch, and they just fill that
really
top
nice.
of your coat, and they look quite stylish, I think. You can mess about and dress it how you want. So I have made a few. In fact, last night I decided to make a new one.
Oh, did you?
So I made a new
hot off the press.
Hot off the press. So this was a lovely little bit of tweed, but I sometimes find tweed a bit scratchy against your skin. So again, I've lined it with a softer fabric.
Oh, I like that.
And I've also made a matching brooch.
Oh, now.
And that was just a little bit of tweed left over, frayed the edges, gathered them in, and just sat watching telly, doing a little bit of hand sewing last night. And I think this.
So there are instructions for that brooch somewhere? Or is it just in Steph's head?
I think it's just in Steph's head, but I'm sure people do make these, and there will be tutorials.
I'll try and find one. If not, and you want a YouTube tutorial, let me know and I'll get Steph to do one for you. I love that idea though.
And it's just a little bit of. I keep broken jewellery. I'm a hoarder. I have all sorts in my craft room, and that was a part of a bracelet that broke many years ago, and I just thought that looks quite cute in there.
It does.
And
it does.
And the other one was just a little bundle of beads, all hand stitched in, but I think they're quite pretty. I'd be happy if somebody had gone to the trouble of making that for me. So.
Yeah, definitely like them. My next idea is for the doggos. because as you know, I've got 2 dogs, and you might know somebody who's got a dog. So this is a handmade collar with some very nice metal attachments. They normally come with plastic attachments, don't they? But I like these silver ones. You can get them online. And it's got a bow on it that detaches with 2 Velcro straps. Now, normally a lot of bows, when you get them, you've got to thread them through that loop at the back, but I put Velcro on. Make sure you put the soft side on the inside so that it's not irritating the dog's neck, and you can just easily take that off. And then made a collar. I will put the links for these. They're not my ideas. A matching necker or bandana. And the bandana then goes on there like that. I think that's a brilliant gift for your own dog or for somebody with a dog. If you're going round to someone's house over Christmas and they say, "Oh, don't bother buying anything," but they've got a dog, take something for the dog. They'll really appreciate it. So that's my next idea. A bandana, bow, and dog collar. My next idea is the Haroldson bag. My favourite cross body bag. It's a brilliant scrap buster. This isn't a free pattern, it's a NOODLEHEAD pattern, but I've used it loads. It has a zip on the back, and I've put a turn lock closure on it, and then there's a zip pocket inside as well.
I think it's a brilliant size bag, is that? Holds everything you need, but it's compact, it's not bulky at all, is it?
No. I mean, it's a bit more work involved than the other ideas, but I love them. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. I'll have that one, please.
Well, you never know.
Right, so my last idea, I ran this up really quickly last night. Don't look closely at the sewing. But if you've ever heated a bowl of soup in the microwave and gone to get it out, they can be tricky because you're there with a tea towel trying to get hold of a hot thing. So these little bowl cozies are ideal. Now you can use the insulating
to keep it warm for longer afterwards,
but then you can't put it in the microwave because it's metal.
No,
so
you
it's
can't.
sparky microwave.
No, you need cotton wadding. You need cotton batting, don't you? And cotton thread.
Or anything. I've just used some felt that I have.
Oh yeah, felt's good.
Just because it's, it'll be fine for me. Get my bowl of porridge out the microwave in the morning. But there you go. They're easy to make.
They are.
And there's various different ways to make them.
You can even make big ones.
Oh yeah.
For pot holders.
Oh yeah. And then
if you're doing a casserole.
And they make them so that you can carry them
with a handle, and you can put it onto the table so that it's a nice centerpiece. It doesn't look.
Yeah, lots of ideas.
If you're like me and your casserole dishes are just glass Pyrex dishes, one of those covering it, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Love that idea, Steph.
That's me done.
So I've got one last idea. It's not my idea, this. It is Anne-Marie's idea from our social.
Oh, have you done one of those? Yeah.
She was making one of these, and I thought, I need one of them.
Oh, that's come up lovely.
It is a sewing organiser for taking to the socials or when you're out and about. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's meant to be 7. I can only count 6. 6. Oh, and 7. The big one at the back. So it's got 7 pockets in it. It just fastens with a little button. 2 little buttons on the front. And again, it is 2 squares. I think they're about 16-inch squares, these. So it is quite a lot of fabric. And you've got to have 2 of them. But you could get that out of like that quarter, couldn't you?
I think so, yeah.
Probably just about.
That quarter.
I don't know. But I'm loving that. Again, it's a tutorial, so you can watch it.
It's lovely.
On YouTube, and I will pop the link below.
Yeah, that's really nice. Really nice. It wouldn't necessarily need to be for sewing. You could.
No, you could use it
could
for
use
all
it
sorts.
for makeup because you could separate.
Yeah,
all
you could
your...
actually. Yeah, yeah. Or somebody who does a different craft to put all the bits and bobs in.
Yeah.
It's a perfect scrap busting gift, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's lovely.
Thanks, Anne-Marie. So we're done?
Yeah, I think we're done.
But I've got my little surprise answer for at the end.
Oh, yes.
Now, if you noticed on my thumbnail, it was called a Gift to November giveaway. And the giveaway is that everything that was in that bag, I'm giving it away. So I'll just do a quick run through of what was in the bag because I can't remember either. And what you need to do in the comments, just comment the item that you're interested in. And on Monday next week, I will do a draw. Put all the names in a hat for each item and they will get posted out next Tuesday. So they'll be with you in time for Christmas. There's one caveat, you can't use these to post on the Gift to November challenge because I've already done it. So we've got the scissor holder, the tote bag, the tool holder. So we've got scissor holder, tote bag, tool holder, dog set, and the Haroldson bag. Now I haven't put a strap on this Haroldson bag because it's a multicoloured bag and it depends what colour you want to go for, so we'll need a strap putting on it. So there we go. Comment on which item. You can comment on them all if you want, and hopefully it will help you with your Christmas gifting just a little bit. It's my thanks to you guys for watching me and supporting me all year. So just comment which item. Don't comment all. I want a comment for each, and then I can write all the names down and do the draw on Monday. Are you going to go in the draw?
Good fun. Yeah, of course I am.
So don't forget, you've still got a few days to get your own makes in and posted on the Instagram Gift to November challenge run by the lovely Alison, so like Dottie. And I can't wait to see them all. Can you?
No, it's exciting.
It is. So we'll see you all again soon. Hope we've given you some inspo. Bye.
Bye.